Let's take a look at the tokenomics of this project. We are currently on layer gamma. There were previous layers to this project, as you can see here, and that is the reason why I'm bringing that up, because we are currently on the gamma layer of this project. This project is a polygon farm with multiple playable games and also multiple deflationary mechanisms in place, all of which will be covered thoroughly throughout this video. This ecosystem has two native tokens, Gpul and GBNT. Gpul is the first token in this ecosystem. It's also known as gammapulsar token. It is the farming native token of this ecosystem. Currently it has a block emission rate of 8, but this may be adjusted according to inflation or as the project progresses. Of that emission, 9% will go to developer addresses for future development, partnerships, marketing, costs, and community rewards. The initial supply of this token is 12 million, and it will have an unlimited max supply. Many of the people involved in this project got their pre-sale tokens via NFT sales from the previous layer. The only way to currently get Gpul is either earn it via farming or buy it on the open market. The secondary token in this ecosystem is GBNT, or Gamma Bounty token. This token is different than your average DeFi project token in the sense that there is no fixed emission. So there's also no farm that will earn you GBNT. But in theory, since there's no fixed emission rate on this token, it should be more rare and more valuable, as it can only be created and earned by playing Bounty Hunter. After earning your GBNT by playing Bounty Hunter, it can be either used to sell on the open market or play additional games that could net you more tokens. These two additional games that you can play are Polygalactic Hunter and the Pulse Arena. As you can see in this infograph, there's sort of a cycle to this where you farm, earn, and harvest Gpul, play Bounty Hunter to earn GBNT, and then you take that GBNT to either play Galactic Hunter or Pulse Arena to earn even more. All these games mentioned also act as a sink, as there are deflationary mechanisms at play for each, and we'll discuss what those look like in the respective individual games segment.